Homemade bow and arrow and homemade drone. Look it go around.
I was going to shoot it in your hands. Wait, can I see Togo? No!
Good, but you can try to shoot it with the bow and arrow. Oh.
Okay. Time to get you. Oh!
You gonna get it? Oh, that was close. That was close.
How close was it getting? Wow, so it doesn't very slow an arrow to you. Wow, it's going with But how close did it get?
Not as close as the other one. Oh, I can't even see. Why is it? I'm not that far away. I must have a bad antenna.
I'm gonna get to you!
You're gonna have to shoot it further than that, I think. You get it?
Yeah, that was a good dodge. I'm gonna have to hit you if you didn't dodge it.
All right, you got one more fast try. The battery's dying, hurry. Oh, that was a cool, it went like right over it. That was cool. Where's it at? That's the end of the battery. That was fun.
Yep.
Oh, both antennas are unclipped. Dang. Oops. There we go. Okay. You're gonna have to run faster. Hey, we got it.
I won!
Oh, I got it again.
Come on, go get it. Go get it. Go. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. Go get it.
Oh, you tricked me. You went for it.
It's like no turn. I'm going to go get it. Go get it!
Oh, some wind picked up. There we go. That was fun. Yum, yum. Yum, yum.